And I think you must become a very good driver because of all these movies. Have you ever think about a career as a race driver?
I've dreamt about that my whole life. My grandfather raced cars, and I grew up driving go-karts and then shifter karts, and I always wanted to be the big kid. I have a car company. We make aftermarket performance, high-performance products for different cars. I have race cars, a Porsche GT3 Cup car, BMW E46 race car. I spent a lot of time at the track. So from the time I was a little kid, driving go-karts to even now, 2-3 times a month at the racetrack. It's a passion of mine. I love it.